Hello everyone, in this video I will be doing the installation of PostgreSQL version 10 Community Edition on a CentOS server. So the installation files are available for free download from the Enterprise DB website, and the installation is pretty straightforward. So I got the files downloaded in my downloads folder. So let me open terminal and navigate to my download folder, and I can see that here's the file already downloaded there. So before I can start with the installation, one thing I need to make sure that the user with which I'm logged in has super user access, or I can do the installation with the root user. So I will be doing the installation with the user which has super user access on this Linux machine. So before I can start with the installation, I will run the command sudo set enforce permissive. So now that this is done, I will type sudo and then I will run this file, and the installation wizard should start in a while. So I need to click next. So this is the directory where my data files will be installed. This is the default location. If I want, I can customize and change it. Here I will keep it default, but again this is something which can be changed. Here I get the option to select the components I want to install, and I will select PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin for stack builder and command line tools. I'll click next. So this is a data directory folder. Again, I'll keep it default. This is my parent directory for installation. This is where the data files will go. I'll click next. It will ask me for a super user creation and the password. So by default, a Postgres user will be created, and this is the password I have provided. This is again the default port 5432. I'll keep it default and click next. So select the locale to be used by the new database cluster. I will keep it default and click next. So this is a summary of my installation. Once I click next and then again next, the installation will start, and it won't take much time for the installation to complete. So now I am at the wizard where I'm asked to install and launch a stack builder. So I'll do the same. Now I can click next here and select the additional tools that I want to install along with my default PostgreSQL installation. I will not select anything right now. I can go ahead and do it sometimes later when I need this tools. Again, there are certain enterprise DB tools which requires registration, and these are trial products, especially the migration toolkit, which is a very handy tool for migrating database from other RDBMS to PostgreSQL, and then the PEM agent, the PEM client, and the PEM server. So I won't do anything right now. I'll just click next, or maybe I will click cancel because I'm done with my PostgreSQL installation. So this is done. I can simply open pgadmin or the command line tool to just connect and browse to my database. So the PostgreSQL Community Edition installation is pretty simple, and there are lesser steps compared to the PPAS, the advanced server. So I just need to connect, and it will ask me for the password I had specified some times back during the installation. So here I am connected to my recently installed database, and I can start working with this. So there are a lot of other customizations and configuration that needs to be done, which I will do later on.